Blood transfusion saves lives, but sometimes things can go wrong. Let's know the risks before it's too late. Mismatched blood transfusion reactions happen when a person, suppose recurring blood group B, is transfused with blood group A. Immediately, the recipient will have symptoms of shivering, fever. There may be hemoglobinemia due to excessive lysis of erythrocytes, and this excessive hemoglobin will lead to a condition called jaundice. The excessive hemoglobin is lost by the kidneys and there is hemoglobinuria, but still the level of hemoglobin is so high that it may sit on the renal tubules and make the kidneys fail, and the person may suffer from acute renal failure. Hyperkalemia is due to excessive release of potassium ions from the lysed erythrocytes, and this hyperkalemia can cause the heart to stop during diastole. Until next time, take care.